Mahfuza
Yes.
Farzana has asked, which type of data is not normal?
I already answered you.
Yes.
To check the data is not normal or normal or not, you have to check through the SPSS descriptive statistics. In descriptive statistics, you will check the value of the Cartesian skewness, and the value of the Cartesian skewness should be less than 1. If it is more than 1, means your data is not normal. Thank you. In that case, you will face the trouble to use AMOS. In that case, you are bound to use the SmartPLS. In my PhD data, one variable, one construct, the skewness and kurtosis values were more than 1. So I was bound to use. That is the strong justification. I know I have to still, I didn't pray for me. I didn't face, I'm waiting for the BRBD. In BRBD, examiner will ask this question. If that examiner is fond of AMOS, that why you have used SmartPLS? And I am ready to give the answer. This is one of the strong justification, because after checking the kurtosis and skewness of my data set, one construct value is more than 1. So that's why I had decided to use SmartPLS. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
So, sir, one of my question is that for CFA and EFA, is SmartPLS is better or AMOS in this case? Like
CFA, I think I understood your question. In that article, I will share CFA, EFA explanation also is in that article is there. CFA, EFA and SmartPLS is not necessary. It is basically in AMOS they use, because in my whole data set, I didn't use any, I didn't calculate EFA and CFA. Clear?
Yes.
In SmartPLS, EFA, CFA not necessary, because in my PhD, I didn't use. It was not necessary because I used SmartPLS. But I attended one workshop of AMOS. So in that workshop, and I read articles there also, I saw EF and CF, and I saw the AMOS PhD thesis. They also calculated EF, CF. I think you are the AMOS expert, so you calculate the EF, CF, right?
Yes, I calculated them there.
But
sir, for
just a minute. You saw in my whole discussion,
Hmm.
anywhere I discussed about the EFA, CFA, any assessment criteria came in EFA, CFA?
No, sir. It is
Yes, I
all
think
about
you
SEM.
understand.
And what I understand, sir, from your lecture, that for structural equation modeling, SmartPLS is giving more detailed result in a simple manner, and it
Yes.
is way easy to construct the model there. It is very user friendly.
Yes. You saw if model is complex, you have more number of items, more number of construct, no problem. Your data is normal, abnormal, I don't bother. And again, another strong justification for my PhD thesis. Why I used AMOS, SmartPLS? Because in my model, one construct is formative. So if formative means it is not better to use AMOS. You can use AMOS, but it will be very difficult. But in my cases, result is very simple. You understood? If you, in your model, I told that human resource management, can you make it formative? No, you have to make it can you make it reflective? No. It is theory will allow you to make, if you want to make the human resource management as a higher order construct, it is better to, theory will tell that you have to make it formative. So in that case, see, you are bound to use the formative. not bound, it is better to use SmartPLS. Clear?
Yes.
Thank you, sir, for your precise answer.